Hello and welcome to the California Standards Test Released Questions. This is question number 1 in a set of 96 questions. If you want to find them all for yourself, you should go to this website right here and just open that document up. It's a PDF document. I would recommend that you actually try these problems yourself first and then use this video or use these videos to check and see if you did the right work and to utilize them for the ones that you're not sure how to do. And there's 96 here. If you're taking the California Standards Test soon, this will be very, very helpful for you. But even if you're not taking that, if you're just in an Algebra 2 class and you're getting ready for a final exam, something like that, this is going to be great review for you. Find ones that you're struggling with or questions you don't know how to do and watch the videos and let me help you out. So let's get started here with number 1. It says, what is the complete solution to the equation of the absolute value of 3 minus 6x equals 15? And so I want you to think of absolute value, kind of this piece right here, as a single entity or a single chunk right now. So if the absolute value of whatever this is all together, when I take the absolute value rather, it has to equal 15. So either this whole thing all together could equal 15 or the whole thing all together could equal negative 15, because if I take the absolute value of the whole thing being negative 15, it would come out to be positive 15. So we really have two problems here to solve for x with. We've got one, that would be 3 minus 6x equals 15, the positive value, or you can also have 3 minus 6x equals negative 15, because the absolute value of negative 15 or positive 15 is 15. So think of it again as a kind of a single entity, a single chunk, a single value right there, and you'll get the right answer. So if I subtract 3 from both sides here, I've got my two problems here. This will cancel here and here. We've got negative 6x equals 12. Divide by negative 6. This is one value that will work. X equals negative 2. Over here, same idea, same concept. Subtract 3 and divide by negative 6. You'll have your answer. The negative 6's will cancel just like they did over here. This negative divided by negative will become positive 3. So you have this or this. You have two possibilities, two answers, and it looks like that is choice B, yes. Also, I would highly recommend that you take your values, plug them back in. So I'll do a little check over here for that. I won't check every single problem on these release questions, but I'll show you how the check would work out here. So we're going to plug it back in and see if it works. So 3 minus 6 times negative 2. Absolute value of all that, does it in fact equal 15? So I put a question mark there because I'm not exactly sure if it's equal to it yet. I'm checking to see if this is a true equation. Any solution to the equation should make this a true statement. And so we have 3 minus, that'll actually change to a plus right there, plus 12. So is that true? Is the absolute value of 15 equal to 15? Yes, that one checks out. So here I kind of still didn't know yet until the very end. But now I know. So the check for that part is there. Let's check 3 as well. So if we plug in 3, have that like that. And I want to know, does that in fact equal 15? So I'll put a question mark there to start. This would be 18. And so notice the whole chunk all together is negative 15. So notice here it was either 15 or negative 15, the whole thing all together. That's why I thought about it like that up there. This I still didn't exactly know for sure, but now I do. I can say, yep, that is working out. So I know these two values must be the correct answers.